Hiya, right, it's another cold, wet, rainy, can't rely on the English weather type of weekend again, so there's no point going outside. It's been on and off rain all day, so I can't get done outside. For one reason, I can't put my camera outside because it doesn't act well in the rain. It won't work. So I've got my fire going, and I'm going to do some stuff in my man cave today. So this man cave's got pretty much everything I need. I've got my bar, I've got my dartboard, television set up for watching YouTube or boxing or whatever, pool table, I've got my wood stove, but one thing I ain't got, or I've never had up until now, is a karaoke machine, and I got one given a few weeks back, so I'm going to set that up today. What you need for karaoke is a speaker, some sort of mixing unit, I think that is. I already had the microphones, they're remote wireless microphones. I've already set this up once and tested it and made sure that I had everything that I needed for it, that all the wires worked and everything, and I could get some sound out of it and get a proper karaoke going. So I know it's all working, but now what I want to do today is sort of put it in its final place. So one of the main things in a man space, you want a sort of good utilisation of space, because what I don't want to do is have this machine in a cupboard, and then if we ever want to get it out on a Saturday night or something like that, I have to get it out, put it in a place, wire it all up and check it. I want it in a permanent place, but I want it far enough out of the way so it don't get in the way, but I always want it, I also want to put it in a place where it looks good, and all I have to do to make it work is flick a couple of switches, plug a wire or two in, and then it's ready to go. Right, I'm up in the dizzy heights of this man cave now, standing up top of a bar and a stool. My only real restrictions on this is to get the cables to where so they can all meet up, but this one's 6 meters long, so it's all right. The only thing you can't do is have a microphone directly in front of the speaker, because you get that feedback. But I'm going to hang this speaker up here out the way, so hopefully that should combat any of that feedback happening. I'm using quite a hefty screw because it's quite heavy as this speaker. It's an old speaker. I don't know how old. I'm guessing you can get a lot better, louder, lighter, smaller speakers these days, but this is what I've got, so this is what I'm using. That's not too bad at all, is it? So that's the power wire, and I've got a plug up there, and this is the speaker that runs from the mixing unit or what have you, and that's 6 meters long, so I've got plenty on that. Right, so that's the mains wire. And I've got a mains plug here, so that's perfect. And then what I'm going to call the amplifier wire, so from the amp to the mixer unit, the 6 meter long wire, I'm just going to run it behind all these bottles across this shelf here, so we'll never see that. Oops, that's my disco ball. Ooh. There's always some. That's my disco ball. Right, as I was saying, the amplifier wire, I'm going to tuck it right up behind them bottles, being careful not to disturb all the cobwebs. And not stand on my computer, and not go through the desk, because that felt like a bit of flimsy part of that desk there. Jesus Christ, nearly landed on my computer. Right. Right, That's that wire nicely out of the way. Right, that's all plugged in now. The lights are all on. That's all working. That's working. One more thing I just want to do. I want to make a stand for my mics so I can hang them up wall nice and neat. So I'm just going to mark them up on here now. I'm going to make it out of an old piece of pallet wood. Quick blast on the sander. Right, so the real good thing about karaoke these days, these modern times, is, do you remember back in the day, probably early 90s when karaoke first started, the DJ, whatever you call him, would come in and he had all his CDs and you'd say to him, have you got this, have you got that? And if he were a good karaoke host, he had, you know, hundreds of CDs with all these karaoke tracks on them. But you don't even need that now. So back in the day, you would have had to buy all them. You don't need that now. All you need to do now is have access to the internet, go on YouTube, type in Karaoke, and then whatever song you want, click on that and you're good to go. So there's pretty much every song you would ever want on the internet. I don't think I've ever typed in a song that they haven't had. Yeah, which is a hell of a lot cheaper than buying all them individual CDs. Right, there you go, another step forward in the evolution of the Mancave. Nice little karaoke setup. Right, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye. I did it my